Hello dear students, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Here in this class it is question 123. In this class we want to solve an exponent equation to the power x plus 4 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 3. Then find x. From this exponent equation we want to find the value of x. Solution: we have 2 to the power x plus 4 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 3. We have a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. Using this formula we get, this implies 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 3. We can write 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 minus 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 3. Here we can write 16 into 2 to the power x minus 4 into 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Here we subtract coefficient of 2 to the power x. Actually we get 16 minus 4 into 2 to the power x is equal to 3. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12 x into 12 into 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Divided both sides by 12, we get 2 to the power x is equal to 3 over 12. Now we can cancel 3 with 12. We get 2 to the power x is equal to 1 over 4. Therefore 2 to the power x is equal to 1 over 4. 2 to the power x is equal to, we can write 1 over 2 to the power 2. This implies 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power minus 2. Here these are equal. This implies x is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Therefore if we put x is equal to minus 2 in this question, both sides will become equal. If we put 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4, instead of x we put minus 2. Minus 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0 is equal to 3. Now 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Minus 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1, 3 is equal to 3. Actually, this solution satisfies the equation. Thank you, dear students. If you like our videos, please subscribe and share with your friend.